Hi guys, EBPMAN here with Tablets for Me, and today we're going to take a look at an Android TV box brought to us by Mifanstech. Now, this is a cord cutting solution for those of you who are wanting to get all your internet delivered via the web. Let's check this out. So let's talk about the specs of this box for a couple seconds. First of all, this is an Android TV box running Android version 6. It has a quad-core CPU, and then it also has a pentacore GPU. So one is for processing and one is for graphics processing. It does have the most current version of Kodi, which is Kodi 16 pre-installed, and there's a lot of add-ons that have already been pre-configured. You do have 2 gigabytes of memory with 8 gigabytes of storage. It does have HDMI obviously capabilities. It can connect via Wi-Fi, and it's going to support up to 4K quality video. So let's go and check out what the box looks like and what's inside the box. Now inside the box you're going to find your Android TV box, a user guide, remote control. You'll also find an HDMI cable and a power cord. Now, taking a closer look at the box, we can see a couple things. First of all, you have an LED here in the front when you turn on the box. On the side here, you have the support for a micro SD, 2 USB ports. On the back, you do have an AV out. You do have an audio plug here, Ethernet, HDMI, and then your power supply goes here. Nothing else is seen here. On the bottom, you do have some little rubberized feet that are really going to allow you to place the box down and keep it in a specific area. Now this box has been improved. It's actually very small. Just going to give you a sense. Here is another box that is also from Mifanstech that we've been looking at, and just to give you an idea of the footprint change, this is how much smaller it is. And if we look at it from the very front, you'll notice how much thinner it is. So a much smaller box doesn't have all the connectivity options of this box as it has it in the back, but the footprint makes this a very portable box when it comes to consuming digital media. Now, for those of you who are new to cord cutting technology, what cord cutting is all about is being able to consume all of your digital content through the internet. So this box is going to give you the ability to stream things from Netflix, stream things from Amazon. It has a full Android ecosystem here, so you can install pretty much any Android app, including games, onto this box, and you can play games if you do get like a Bluetooth controller or you get any other kind of controller with this that would be a gamepad. It also has Kodi, and Kodi is a media center program that I'm going to show you in a couple seconds that gives you access to virtually an unlimited amount of video content on the internet from all of the video providers, TV providers that are available today, making it a very powerful tool for consuming content. So let's go ahead and connect this to TV, power it up so you can see what I'm talking about. Now the remote for this unit is pretty simple. It just has a up, down, left, right controller, very similar to what you would find with the, I would say, Amazon Fire Stick or Amazon Fire TV. You have the traditional home button, back button, menu button. You do have some volume controls and some mouse functionality that you can get when using the remote. But it's, again, a very basic remote. Now the interface for the Android TV box is pretty straightforward. It's a very clean interface. And all I'm doing is using the remote. And you'll notice as I press right or left, it's going to go into the area that I'd like, and then I just press enter to select it. So let's take a look at a couple things first. So this box, because it's Android and it's running Android 6, it does have Google Play. So you can register your Google account, and then you can have access to any of the apps that you've already purchased for your phone, games, content, media, all those things are available. It does have a file browser, which gives you access to the storage that it has either on a USB stick, a micro SD, or anything else that it would have. You do have a browser, a full browser, so you'll be able to get on the internet. And actually, if you were to purchase a keyboard similar to this, you'd be able to use that keyboard to navigate the web really easily. This is an area that you'd go into to recycle or to clear off anything that you'd have in your memory. So you just click on it, and then it's just going to go ahead and it's going to clean up the memory. So you do this with your phone at times. You do have a settings area, so let's go into the settings area so you can see here. It's a really nice clean settings area that's going to give you the ability to see things like all of your configurations. such as display, what kind of internet cable if you have to put this in, your wireless settings, Bluetooth because it does have Bluetooth capabilities, and also any kind of updates that you would need. If we go into the apps area, let's see what's in the apps area here. Several things that you could do because you can also this box does support wireless connectivity from your standard, I would say, phones. So what you could do is share the screen almost like Chromecast using Miracast to this device and share content, share pictures, share videos, and just use it as a display. So that's another cool feature. As you can see, you have Facebook here. You do have a file browser, gallery. Again, a lot of common things that you have in Android. So let's talk about why these boxes are so popular, because you notice you do have Netflix in there. I'm going to go ahead and go into Kodi, and just so that you can get a sense of what Kodi is all about. So now Kodi and this application this box runs pretty fast. You saw how quickly it started. And the cool thing about Kodi is about all the content that it has. So if I go into this area, you notice that you have TED Talks, you have also sports. All these things on the bottom are called add-ons. And these add-ons give you access to a lot of content that's available on the internet. I'm going to go to what I consider one of my most favorite add-ons, and that is an add-on called Exodus. So I'm going to go down to Exodus, and you'll see that right here, and I'm going to choose Exodus. And now what Exodus is going to give you access to is a wide variety of content, and there's a lot of other add-ons there. There are sports add-ons, so you can see sports, also documentary add-ons, just a huge amount of flexibility. So let's say, for example, you wanted to watch a TV show. So I'm going over to TV show, and I'm selecting it. And then you have this breakdown. So I'm going to choose, what are the most popular TV shows? And as long as you're connected to the internet, as this box is, it's going to go and search for content of what is considered the most popular TV shows. Now, the neat thing about that is that it's going to give you content from a wide variety of sources that you can view absolutely free. So as you see here, now this is all the content that's available, and then all I have to do is literally go to the content that I'm looking for and then select it. Looks a lot like some of the content providers that you see today on the internet. So like, for example, I'm going to choose Game of Thrones, which is really popular. And then once I choose it, it's going to ask me what season I'd like to choose. And then I just choose the season that I'd like to see. I'm choosing season 6. And then it's going to give me a breakdown of every season. And then all I do is, and you notice on the upper right hand corner, it's giving you a kind of like a preview of what's in that specific episode that you're watching. And you choose it, and it starts to stream. Very, very fast, very easy to use. And it doesn't only do this for TV shows, but it will also do this for movies. So if I choose, for example, movies, and we'll go up to here to this area, we'll choose movies. I could even choose movies that are still in theater, and it is again going to, using the power of the internet, scour the internet to see what content is available, and then make it available for you to be able to watch or stream from your Android TV box. We'll give this a couple seconds just to update so that you can see the kind of content that's available through Kodi. So here you have a lot of the content that's available. So again, just incredibly powerful box for those of you who are looking for cord cutting options and reducing the cost of what it costs to watch TV nowadays. Now, the next thing I just wanted to show you is, one of the things that you could do here is go into your browser. So we're going to go into the browser area just to give you a sense of what the browser looks like. And it is a full-fledged browser similar to what you would find on your phone. I'm going to use the keyboard, so I'm going to use my keyboard. This is one that I have, and there's a review on this on my channel, to input where I'd like to go. It's just a lot easier rather than having the on-screen keyboard come up. So this concludes our review of this Android TV box brought to us by Mifanstech. If you have any comments or questions about this product, leave it in the YouTube channel. Hey, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.